Hey, what's up everyone? It is Tyiece here. So today I will be giving myself a well-needed trim after being natural for over 3 years now and not getting one. So a trim is necessary to cut back on single strand knots and breakage. It just makes detangling your hair a whole lot easier and your hair is able to grow in a lot better without so much breakage. So this is one of the signs that you need a trim when you're experiencing a lot of tangles, when you're detangling. So now my hair is damp right here, and I will be sectioning off my hair into 4 quadrants to trim my hair. So this is similar to how I used to trim my hair when I was relaxed. So I'm just following the same system of going in 4 sections, and this just makes it easier for me to self trim. So this back section will be cut into 2 later on. So I just put it in one in the meantime just to get it out the way while I prepare the other sections for my trim. So this is the first section that I will be trimming, and I'm starting by moisturizing my hair with a leave-in conditioner since I will be using a blow dryer on my hair and I don't want to cause as much dryness or cause the blow dryer to suck as much moisture out of my hair. So the best way to prep it is with moisture. So after moisturizing my hair with a leave-in conditioner, I will be following up with a heat protectant spray. So this spray helps to reduce the harsh effects of the heat on the hair cuticle, and it just gives it a layer of protection and seal down those cuticles. Okay, so now I have my white tooth comb. This is what I will be using to detangle my hair from the end straight up to the roots. So this is key because of the type of blow dryer I am using. I want my hair to be as detangled as possible. Then I follow up with an extra layer of detangling using a detangling brush. So all of the knots are gone out of my hair, and now I can blow dry my hair. So this is the blow dryer I will be using. So I do have really small teeth on there, which is why making sure that my hair is detangled before using it is so important. So I start from mid shaft and work my way up with this blow dryer. So I will be doing the blow dry and trim method. So I find that if I just wait until I'm completely done blow drying my hair is already shrinking up and trimming it won't be as accurate. So I find that doing it while I blow dry in sections is what is most effective when it comes to my natural hair. So now that that section is properly blow dry, as you can see right here, I am following up by making sure that I use a hair shears, and I just cut right at the ends. As you can see where you need to cut. The ends look really beady. It look like little balls on the ends. Those are dead dry ends and they just needs to be cut. So I'm cutting about 1/2 inch to 1 inch between there. I would say a little over 1/2 inch, but a little under 1 inch all over. So I cut going horizontal and then I cut going vertical. This allows me to get all of those ends and I do not miss any section of hair. So I'm repeating the same thing on each section. I start by blow drying that section thoroughly, and I'm using the blow dryer on hot air, the highest heat setting. This blow dryer don't really get as hot. As you can see, it doesn't smoke at all, so it's really perfect. I know I won't get heat damage from it, but I just blow dry. After blow drying that section as straight as possible, I go in with my scissors and I clip just under 1 inch of hair. So splitting the back section into two will make it a lot easier for me to self trim my hair. Okay, so I start by moisturizing my hair with the same leave-in conditioner, and then I follow up with a heat protectant spray. Now I am parting off a section going horizontal, and this is going to be the section I blow dry first, and then I proceed to trimming it. So I start by blow drying that section, getting it nice and straight. So blow drying allows all of the ends to be even so that they can reach the bottom and I can properly trim them. So without blow drying the hair, you won't be able to get an accurate trim, or without stretching the hair, because some pieces of hair will be balled up and some won't. So blow drying is key, or any other form of stretching the hair. But blow drying actually gives the best stretch right under flat ironing the hair, but I'm not going to go that far with my hair right now. I just don't feel comfortable to flat iron yet. So now that my hair is nice and straight, I will be using a rat tail comb to detangle that section, and I am due for a trim. Look how knotty my hair is. It just sticks. That's how you know your hair is due for a trim. The ends just stick. So I just take the scissors and I cut going straight across where I see the end starting to bead up on itself. So afterwards, I hold the hair in a different angle. So trimming the hair in different angles, up, down, sideways, allow you to get different parts of the ends that you would miss if you only trim it at one angle. So as you can see, this one I'm trimming at a vertical angle, holding it straight out, and then I hold it going up in a different angle, that same section, so it exposes different parts of the hair, and then I am holding it upside down, which will be in an upward motion. So as you can see, one section of hair, and I trimmed it at least 2 to 3 different angles to make sure that I do not miss any ends. And that section combs through very easily with that rat tail comb. That's how I know my ends are nice and trimmed properly, when I can get that rat tail comb straight through the ends. And I am just repeating that same thing all over my hair in both sections of my hair in the back. So I am finished trimming my whole hair. I repeated that same thing on the left side of my hair in the back, and my hair can be easily combed through right now. That's how I know my hair got a great trim. And I just look forward to retaining more length, growing out my hair, and just having healthy ends. Nothing like having blunt, freshly trimmed ends. It just makes styling the hair easier. It cuts back on detangling time during your wash day. It also helps to cut back on breakage too, because when your ends are clinging to each other, they break a lot easier. And your hair, or the ends of your hair, also retains moisture better when it is freshly trimmed. So those are some of the benefits, and I hope that you found this video helpful. make sure that you are getting those regular trims at least every 6 months to 12 months, depending on how healthy your hair is. I know I won't be going this long anymore before trimming my hair, so I'm going to be aiming to trim my hair at least every 6 months, twice a year moving forward, and I feel like I will have better length retention in the long run. So thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly hair care tutorials.